So step 2 is I want you guys to install a theme on your Google Chrome. What I try to choose is something which is very much serene, just the one that is there on my new tab right now. It's very calm, it's very soothing, it's very serene, and it's actually the right amount of dark. Like, I prefer darker themes just because, like, if you are using the computer for quite a long time, and like most of our development works on Google Chrome, so the Google Chrome default white page like creates more strain on our eyes, and having a like not pitch black theme but like a darker theme just like the one that I have, it's actually very calm. It's actually like boosts my productivity, and also like strains my eyes in the least manner possible. So I want you guys to go to Google Themes, Chrome Themes, and this is the link that you need to click, and you can select any one of the themes that you think is very calm and serene for you and is very soothing for you and kind of boosts your productivity. And of course you also need to check like it's a little bit on the darker side, like this or this, which kind of will be very much helpful for your eyes.